Since September 11, 2001, the Coast Guard's role in homeland security has tremendously grown. The Coast Guard is both a federal law enforcement agency as well as a military service, and has the authority and capability to employ armed boarding officers and armed boats, ships, and helicopters for law enforcement and security missions. Most recently, Coast Guard Air Station Houston and its fleet of MH-65C helicopters have been outfitted with mounts and other equipment to become compliant with the Airborne Use of Force standards. Additional crew members have been added and joined the Coast Guard's existing fleet of armed boats, cutters, and maritime security boarding teams equipped to stop maritime threats. These armed helicopters add another level of protection which can be utilized to save lives and protect coastal assets.
Well, Air Station Houston became an AUF unit because the Coast Guard created a list of units that it felt that needed to have this capability, and we were in line, and the April-May time frame this year was when Air Station Houston became Airborne Use of Force qualified. The purpose behind Air Station Houston getting the Airborne Use of Force capability is to protect our ports, waterways, and coastal security.
This is a Star Warrior vest. It is accessorized with a holster that carries the Coast Guard standard issue PDW, which is the 6-hour P229R DAK. We have here a magazine pouch located up near the collar that carries a 12-round magazine for the weapon, along with one that carries another magazine pouch that carries another 12-round magazine located next to his rib cage. The body armor that he has under the Star Warrior vest is standard issue for AUF purposes. Everything that Lieutenant Moran is wearing currently is standard issue for all AUF pilots.
The men and women of Air Station Houston are responsible for protecting hundreds of miles of beaches, waterways, and ports. The additional layer of security provided by the Airborne Use of Force qualification adds to the Coast Guard's diverse capabilities and makes Air Station Houston a vital component to mission success.